Hey there, Bill Oxidean here. Just another gorgeous day with the mini dom. It's not the sunniest day, but you know, I still just love coming out here and just relaxing, getting them in. RC boating as a lifestyle is something I take great pleasure and much pride in. No better way to end the afternoon than a kayak ride with my friend, the mini dom here. This boat is so fun, and it's just exhilarating. It's something that you can run every day, and it can be part of your exercise regimen. It's great for camping trips and just general recreation.